CineD does give you a little bit more highlight protection and gives you a little more shadow. So yeah, dynamic range is better, but somehow when I color correct it, the image looks a little bit orange. But in this sample, the highlight is a little bit too strong to be protected on the top left corner. Those buildings in the back, it's kind of overexposed. There's not much I can do, it's just too much highlight. And as you can see here in this sample image footage, the brick wall look super orange. I think I need to fine-tune it a little bit. So yeah, but here with the river and the sky, this one with the CineD looks really nice because you can get a lot more detail in the sky and the river, the reflections. So that's a pretty good choice for this kind of scenario. But for, I don't know, somehow image with orange color, it turns a little bit too orangey. And it feels a little bit plasticky. Again, the image feels a little bit plastic. The saturation, the color looks a little bit fake. And here we have the footage without color grading as well, just to show you before color correcting what it looked like. I really like the natural profile, but as you can see here in comparison, the natural profile does overexpose, not overexpose, but you know, kind of the highlights is a little bit overexposed sometimes in some extreme scenarios. So if you want to keep the highlight, you do want to shoot CineD. But in this one I like this natural profile. It's very natural, contrasty, very good image. And CineD just it kind of gives you a little bit HDR look that is not quite authentic. So I guess maybe it depends on the scenario. Sometimes I prefer a natural profile, sometimes I prefer CineD. Like this one, I would prefer the CineD version. Here are some more examples of this clip is shot in natural profile. So as you can see, the ground, or the court is kind of so reflective, it's very bright, very kind of overexposed. Now you can see on my skin tone, the shorts, the hats and shoes, anything that is white, just look a little bit overexposed. And the image is very contrasty. You can see in the trees a lot of shadow. And here, in contrast, this is CineD. As you can see here, even though there's bright sky there, it is not overexposed. The image, and you can't really find any spot that is overexposed. All the fine details are in there in the image. The ground is not bright, shiny and white. And my skin tone is also much more neutral. I wouldn't say it's it's perfect. I still need to color correct it a little bit better to make it look really good. But this is not making a cinematic movie. This is just recording my tennis gameplay. So yeah, and another example of natural profile. As you can see, the ground is so reflective, so bright. You can obviously color correct it a little bit to bring down the highlights, but that would look kind of bad if you use natural profile because it's already very contrasty, and if you bring down the highlight, it becomes really fake. It looks really fake. Here's another example in CineD. Once again, you can see that there is no overexposure. All the details is there when they should be there. So yeah, it's a pretty obvious difference, natural and the CineD. So usually when I shoot vlog, shoot casual stuff, I use natural profile because you don't need to grade too much. But now I kind of want to shoot CineD a little bit more just to see the magic. It looks really nice here, especially when it's a bright day. If it's rainy, cloudy, overcast, I think natural profile will do just fine. So yeah, that's it.